Hey everyone, I wanted to show you something. So, Hasbro, whenever they were making the My Little Ponies, released some other creatures, not just ponies. And I wanted to show you my favourite, which is the fairy tale birds. Aren't they gorgeous? But that's not a tail, that's a tail. And they have little bird combs and they come with perches. And I remember I had one as a child and I used to always put her on my finger. Isn't she beautiful? Look at the little fuzzy tummy. They're definitely my favourite outside of the ponies.